The library module is where you sort, rate, tag, and filter your images. Usually, sorting your images is the first step in a typical workflow after import. After you've sorted your images, you would then go and edit them, which we will look at in another video. There are three main ways to sort your images. Different people have different preferences on how they use these tools. Many people, including myself, will use a combination of these different methods to take full advantage of the sorting and filtering options within Lightroom. The first option, and perhaps the simplest one, is to flag images with either a pick or reject flag. A pick flag suggests that this is an image we wish to edit and potentially export. A reject flag means that this is not a great image and we probably don't want to bother editing it. Examples of rejected images include those that are out of focus, those with bad facial expressions, technical errors like the photo being too overexposed, or duplicate images where there are other similar shots that are potentially better. Again, different people have different workflows, but I would normally reject every single photo in my shoot and then go through and just pick the best ones. To use the pick or reject flags is really simple. Go to a photo and either press P on the keyboard to pick it if you think it's a good image worth editing, or press X for reject if you think it's an image you don't want to deal with. The great thing about using these flags is that you're not losing any data and you're not deleting anything. If you change your mind later and decide that you actually did want to edit and keep a rejected image, you can just change its flag. I'm just going to go ahead and make a series of picks and rejects right now as an example. Once you've completed this process, you can easily filter your images to just show you your picked images or just show you your rejected images. Down the bottom right, you'll see a drop-down menu and you can click on flags and it will just show you all your picked images. Next to that, you'll see a little filter option allowing you to switch between picked, unflagged, and rejected images. Normally, the next level of categorizing your photos is via star rating. You would do this on your picked images you sorted earlier. Click on the photo and press 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 on the keyboard to give it a star rating. I'll quickly do this now. Now at the top, you'll also see the ability to filter via the rating of your photos. By default, this will give you any photos that are the same star rating or higher, but you can also change this so it shows you photos with an exact star rating if that's what you want. The final method of sorting your images is via color labels. If you press 6, 7, 8, or 9 on your keyboard, it will assign a color tag to your image, and just like with the stars and the picks and rejects, you can sort your images by colors. While color tags can be great, the reality is just using the pick and reject flags and maybe some star ratings will be more than enough to sort most catalogs. There are many other ways to sort your photos in Lightroom, including by various metadata like the camera model or lens used for the photo. You can do this by choosing the metadata filter at the top of the window and choosing one or more options to filter by. Again, sorting your images may seem like a bit of work at first, but it means later on you have a quick and efficient way to drill down to just the photos you want to work with.